Laitkam byllai hakitana Treikam Sorkar Meghalaya. Ini Laitkam Port Directorate of Food Processing Meghalaya nanta District Legal Services Authority West Kasihil Nongstein District and Session Judge Rivai District Nongpo Badhapo Southwest Kasihil Smakor District and Session Judge Kini kawai Technical Staff Port District and Sessions Judge Rivai District Kenal kawal interview hak arpulai tarik mantau benai hak Porsche posting kajing kawai kapos as per existing government rules kasnam ka tenure bantrai kadai contractual kajing siu kadai arpusan hajar ban benai antakipan bachelor degree in computer science application equivalent handling ICT equipment for online code dates to fill application standard form for registration and bring testimonials not the ADA the undersigned reserves to cancel the work interview. Laitkam Office Assistant Clerk for District Legal Services Authority West Kasihil District Nongstein. Katarik ban work interview kadai hak penyau tarik benai mi arcara perusahaan. Kam kadai kawai post Office Assistant dan clerk karsan hajar kajing siu kipan graduation basic word processing skills and ability to operate computers and skills to feed data, good typing speed with proper setting of petition to take this dictation and prepare files for presentation in the codes, file maintenance and processing knowledge. Kasnam kadai katkom ka rule jang governance. Kidon work profile. Tengde kadai mau tarik khadu kadai penyau tarik benai basan kadai katarik ban work interview kadai penyau tarik benai mentau benai arcara perusahaan. Porsche babaji. Kita kejadian kam kawai phapaji tenang ta ke kam balai po kamar marketing manager po Directorate of Food Processing Meghalaya food processing notified nodal agency kapos kadai marketing manager kawai kapos market experience kadai marketing common infraction accredited activities educational qualification PG degree diploma in marketing management agreement marketing rural management in specialization marketing MBA marketing minimum 3 years of experience in sourcing kajing siu kadai silak sebenai agri food products linking tarik khadu kadai ban application kadai live how tarik me arcara perusahaan Dega contractual hadu umah charcar perusahaan arpun riu la pencerong napok ka Ministry of Food Processing Industries kila ban extend biang kasnam kadai saupusan snam la pentam san snam yaki SCST kelong san post snam yaki SCST in sabu yaka link po description ban penyok puli in advertisement company sesu nang tagi bela Trei haki state government organization central na PSU ki hapra yaka no objection certificate ki hap apply to professional dan mau kadai ka katara kadu kadai live how tarik panai me arcara perusahaan tentang ya page sangane lightly technical staff Hapot District and Sessions Judge Southwest Kasihil District Mokarwat lightly they unreserved bachelor degree in computer application BSc IT BTech computer science or application arpusan hajar kajing siu mana punai post kadai contractual nam tasisnam candidates ado apply some application nadu arpu tarik mulai me hadu kalai tarik ujun sa office jangka district and sessions judge Southwest Kasihil District Mokarwat all candidates should submit application standard form along with self-attested copies of certificate in support of educational qualification kita kejenggawa tahap siu laispa tengka yang taki SCST sispasan pau leng baka demand draft in favor of district and sessions judge Southwest Kasihil District Mokarwat kasnam kin kanya hadu kan tarik me mdai palat ya kalai parasnam la penkiu san senam yaki kalong bal lai penyo senam yaki SCSD tarik bakado kadai kat lai tarik shua ka sausteng hapan po yaki application form in sabu ya kan link po description ban pen yok po di company asu